The TOGUARD 9 Wireless CarPlay Android Auto Multimedia CarPlay Screen is a multifunctional device designed for in-car entertainment, connectivity, and monitoring. Here's a description based on the provided information. Features a 9-inch touchscreen display with wireless CarPlay functionality. This allows seamless integration with Apple CarPlay, providing access to various apps and features directly from the car's display. Android Auto compatibility supports Android Auto, allowing Android device users to connect and mirror their device's interface on the car display. This provides a familiar and user-friendly interface for Android users. Functions as a multimedia screen, providing entertainment features such as music playback, video streaming, and other multimedia options. Equipped with a dual camera system, likely including a front and a reverse camera. This enables recording activities both in front of and behind the vehicle, enhancing safety and security. Functions as a CarPlay monitor with DVR capabilities, meaning it can record and store video footage for later review. This can be useful for monitoring driving conditions or in the event of an incident. Built-in GPS integrates a built-in GPS system, providing navigation features directly on the display. This enhances convenience for drivers by offering real-time navigation guidance. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity includes Wi-Fi connectivity for wireless features and Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free calling and audio streaming. Reverse camera comes with a reverse camera, assisting drivers during parking and maneuvering by providing a clear view of the surroundings when the vehicle is in reverse. Touchscreen control utilizes a touchscreen interface for easy and intuitive control of the various functions and features.